Yeah, hi, welcome to today's video. We're going to be looking at a site called Clicktoearn, and we're going to be finding out whether you can actually work from home and earn $50 for every user you refer to the actual Clicktoearn actual platform. Okay, so make sure you stay tuned right to the very end of this video. I'm going to uncover some truths that you're going to want to know before you actually go and start to actually promote Clicktoearn. Without further ado, let's jump across to the desktop, run through Clicktoearn and do a full Clicktoearn review so you know exactly what it's all about and whether you can earn $50 per user. Okay, so as you can see here, come on to the Clicktoearn website. It says here, confidently work from home. And if we scroll down, as you can see here, it says get paid to invite friends, test out free apps and games and more, earn $50 for every user you refer. Okay, and it also says here you get a $25 bonus after you sign up. Well, that's a tall order, as we know these days, $50 just for every user you refer. So we're going to dive more into this, and we're going to go into the back of the website, find out exactly what it's all about, how you can actually earn this money, whether it's true, whether it's legit. And I would say stay tuned right to the very end of this video. I'm going to uncover some truths you're going to want to know before you actually go and join Clicktoearn. Okay, so it says here, start earning right now. And all you're going to do is sign up, get a $25 bonus when you sign up, complete surveys, apps, and to earn real money, available instantly as well, it says. Okay, and it says you can withdraw the cash instantly through PayPal, Vimeo, Cash App, and more. Right, so without further ado, let's just jump straight into the back of the website and find out exactly more about it. So you need to just click on the join now button here, fill in your details, and then go and get a free account. Now, once you come inside the website, as we're here now on the dashboard, click to learn. And as you can see here, I did actually receive my $25 just for actually signing up. So it says here, it says you can invite and earn. It says copy and paste, copy and share with your friends and family. So this was the link that you would actually copy and share, and use the sharing kit to help you invite more people. But what I can't actually see here, guys, is any actual tasks to do. There's a few down here. If we scroll down, and it also says giveaways coming soon, rewards coming soon, slots coming soon. So there's nothing actually that you can actually go and test or anything like that. Obviously, it says here you can spin the wheel for cool prizes every day, and it resets every 3 hours by the looks of it. So let's have a look exactly what that is. And it just says click to spin. Nothing's happening. But I've actually got $45 in my account now. How strange is that? So, as you can see, guys, this is a bit of a weird site, as you can see. It also, like I say, doesn't give you any way of obviously earning other things. It says I've now reached level 2, and click for level 2 requirements. So it says here you've got to have at least 5 clicks, you've got to invite at least 5 people, you get at least $40 in earnings. Okay, well, I haven't actually done anything to actually get those $45, so I'm not quite sure what that is. And it also says here reach level 5 by October the 31st, which is a few days away. And I'll get a $300 bonus. Okay, post on social media, get $50 if you post to YouTube, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and TikTok, and earn. So at the end of the day, guys, it doesn't look as if there are any offers on here that you can actually take, and they seem to be just giving money away randomly. So like I say, I have done a little bit more delving into this. If we go back to the actual homepage and we click on payments, and then we scroll down, as you can see here, some people have obviously withdrawn, and supposedly it says 633 here, 1560 here. So there's loads of different sort of payment proofs here. But as we scroll further down, some of them have actually got dates on. This is the 13th of May. This is the 7th of May. So they're all quite old. We're now in October. This one's 31st of May. Doesn't seem as if we've got any more that actually got dates on, but most of those are back in May. Okay, so I went and actually checked out when the site actually went live. This one is October the 21st 2021. Okay, so that is a year ago. Okay, so let's go across to the site. Like I say, who.I is a couple of things that straight away are red flags. Basically, the registrar, Tusco's Domains Inc., not a very good name for most of the scam sites that are out there. Are actually linked to Tusco's Domains Inc., and they're actually on their servers. But if we scroll down a little bit more, it says the company, the date of which the actual website was registered. Okay, and it says it was registered back in June. So, okay, so all of these payment proofs that say May, and this one says October, like I say, last year, they're all fake. This is what you need to look out for, guys, and I'm here to help you. I'm not here to just dish this site. I'm here to help you actually earn money online. So what you have to do, you have to look out for these sort of things. If they're saying that they're paying out, look at the dates. Go and do a little bit of research and find out exactly when the site was actually registered. They're saying they have had millions of people join their site. Well, they've only been going about 3 or 4 months, so the chances are that they've paid out much or even had that many people join is pretty remote. And like I say, from the inside of the account, all they get you to do is literally refer other people. Now, they obviously want you to do that, but they're not actually going to pay out. There's no way that they can get this money to you, because how can they offer to pay you a $300 bonus, $50 for every invite? It's not real, guys. You won't get paid, I'm afraid. But make sure you stay tuned right to the very end. There's a set of videos I'm going to give you where they are legit sites that you can actually go and get paid, and you can actually earn some money online. But I tell you now, it won't be $50 for an invite. It's as simple as that, because they've got to be able to make money. And this company here obviously doesn't make money from anywhere. There's no way to upgrade. There's no way to sell ads. And they're not even giving you any tasks to actually complete. So where are they getting their money from? Well, they're not. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So this is not going to work, guys. So I would literally avoid Clicktoearn. It's going to be a scam site. There are going to be people that obviously are going to invite it. They're not going to know. They're going to share it on social media. And this is where I picked it up from. Funny enough, I picked it up from my Facebook group that someone was posting this, and it just looked a bit scammy to begin with. So obviously come and done this video for you. So again, heads up on this one. Don't go and join Clicktoearn, but check out the videos at the end of this video where there's a whole playlist I've done of legit sites that will pay out and will get you a few bucks every single month. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.